Hi, this is Litre Tailor Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 6328. This ran from the 10th, 2012 to the 7th, 2021. It has a 4-in-1 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4-in-1 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,